What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today is day number 23 of my 30-day video blitz. Today, I want to talk to you about a tool called GMass. Now, GMass is actually a bulk emailer that you can use right inside of your Gmail account. Okay, so before we go any further, I want to go ahead and first forewarn you that GMass can get your Gmail account shut down if you're not using it smart. Okay, so if you're not going to use it intelligently, you should not use your primary email account when you set up GMass. You should either create a new Gmail account or use one that you already have that you don't really use that much. Also, if you are going to use a Gmail account, make sure that it's not a Gmail account that's attached to your YouTube profile if you have a YouTube channel. Because when Google decides to shut one thing down, they can shut all of it down simultaneously if they so choose. So if, for example, you have a YouTube account that gets shut down, it can also get your Gmail account shut down and vice versa. So just make sure that you're being smart and you're using an email address that has no attachments to it, meaning that it doesn't have your Google Docs, it doesn't have your YouTube, any of that type of stuff, Google Drive, and make sure that it is not your primary email where you conduct the majority of your business. All right, now that we got that out of the way, let me tell you a little bit about GMass. So GMass is, let's go ahead and first get into the price. I believe they have a free version of it, but I'm not sure how it works. I know it has some serious limitations. I think you can probably only send like maybe 100 emails a day or a month or something like that. But you can see here the cheapest that you can get it for is $8.95, but it has the footer. Now, I personally don't like leaving footers on stuff like that, like a watermarked logo of what tool I'm using. So I wouldn't use this one. I would use the standard version, which is $12.95. And if you want to be able to follow up with your leads, you can actually use the premium version and it will send follow-ups. So you can program the follow-ups just like you would with an autoresponder with Aweber or GetResponse. And not only can you send out bulk emails, but you can also follow up with people. For example, if nobody is opening your bulk mail, you can follow up with them and ask them why they haven't opened yet until you get an open from them. Some of the other features that you can do with GMass is you can actually see where your emails are landing. It'll tell you where the emails are landing. Is it going in the inbox? Is it going in the promotions folder? Or is it going into spam? They've got the Gmail Genius where you can maximize your productivity. I'm not even sure what that is. And then you have your link checker, so you can test your links out before you send. You should do that no matter whether you're using an autoresponder or anything. You should always check your links prior to sending out any email, regardless. And then you can compare your open rates to theirs to see how. As a whole, what are the open rates for people using GMass looking like versus the open rates that you're receiving on your own? Okay, and then you can also do some other stuff with GMass. So you can add an unsubscribe link because whenever you send out a bulk email, you need to have an unsubscribe link so the receiver can opt out of receiving any additional email from you. And what actually makes GMass a bulk mailer is because it integrates with Google Sheets, which is nothing more than like Excel. It's like Microsoft Excel. So let's say you have 50,000 emails and you want to send out emails to 50,000 people. Well, you just add that file into Google Sheets and then you integrate your Google Sheet into your GMass and then you push send after you type your message out or whatever. Bulk emailing is something that you have to be very, very strategic with. You can't spam. You have to be able to try and to engage a person in conversation prior to ever sending them anything if you want your emails to go through. If you're sending 50,000 unsolicited emails to people with links in them, then more than likely you're going to get blacklisted and your Gmail account might even get shut down. But if you try and engage them in conversation without a link and ask them to contact you to reply to your email, you've got a much better chance of opening up some type of dialogue with this person and possibly being able to share what you have with them. So, one more thing that you can do with GMass that's really cool is you can actually add a name tag. So let's say, for example, that you're uploading a list of leads that you have. You have 2,000 leads and you have their names and their email addresses. Well, you can add the name tag in your outgoing message, and then you can have their name visible in the email. So you could either type 2,000 emails with 2,000 separate names, or you could let GMass do it for you. So this is some of the stuff you can do inside of GMass. I'm not going to send a mail right now, but it attaches to your Gmail account. So basically, whenever you're ready to send a message, you just simply, you just simply hit the GMass button when you're ready to send that message out. You just type it as normal, and then you hit the GMass button when you're ready to send it. So yeah, and they've got tutorials and stuff like that, but it's definitely a good tool. If you guys are online marketers, if you do decide to use GMass, I will even gift you 1,000 leads. Okay, I literally have millions of leads. So anybody who enrolls for GMass on this affiliate link that's down in the description below this video, just contact me and let me know that you use my affiliate link, and then once I can confirm it, I will send you 1,000 emails that you can use for your marketing any business that you might be associated with. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I have somewhere to be. um, yeah, so the link is below in the description. If you have any questions, I've been using this for a long time. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you got any value from this, please subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to you tomorrow, on which will be day number 24 of my 30-day video challenge. All right, so I will talk to you guys in another video.